Hi friends, I'm Sujit from IP Texel School. I have the problem. I have the data. There are two different data. Data row and column will be same, but my data is the transpose. Because you can see here, the name is the rows and column, month is the column, but second data, my month is the column, row and name is the column. So I want to create the both chart, one chart, both of the data, and also show the table and data labels. So first you have make the chart according to your first data. Select, make the chart. Like you have select the this chart. My chart is the month wise. My chart is the month wise. Now we can also add this data. So that time we have go to the select data. Select data. Okay. And this is the Pooja, Mohan, Kavita, Inder, Uday, the both of the our row fill. And here is the also the month wise date. So that time we have add here, click the add and give the series name as a puja and data we have selected. Okay. But you can see we have the puja in twice time. Puja in the twice time. Also we have select a Mohan and select the Mohan column. But you can see the Mohan also the twice time. And also we have select the kavita. But I think you have remember if you wanted that want this type of chart, you can also add it. But sometime if you want to add, this is the puja total and this is the puja total, both are add together. So that time no way in the chart, but you can also add the chart in the different data. And now you can show the data table here. You can see Kavita, Mohan, Puja, to that in the and again puja will be show the down. Again puja will be show the down. And this puja is the first chart. And this puja is the second chart. Okay. But I want to add puja, ki both puja will be added. So that time you have need to make the data manually here, the added data manually here, and then you can add the chart. Thank you.